how much should you really spend on Aviator sunglasses? I mean, you've got options under $20 and then Ray-Bans at $244. So what's the real difference? Is it just the name, or is there actual value? Today, we're breaking down 5 Aviators, from budget picks to the real Ray-Ban classic.
Product number 1, Cagliati 3-pack Aviators. First up, the Cagliati 3-pack for under $16. Yeah, you heard that right. 3 pairs for the price of 1 cheap coffee. These come in black, green, and brown polarized lenses. And honestly, the packaging feels surprisingly decent for the price. If you want basic sun protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this matters for you. The polarized lenses actually reduce glare. Like when you're driving in the morning and the sun bounces off wet roads, that's not just marketing fluff, it's real. And with UV 400 protection, your eyes are shielded from harmful rays. Plus, 4,000 plus sold last month means a lot of people are betting on these. The lightweight metal frame doesn't dig into your ears, and they're comfortable enough for all-day wear. But let's be real, build quality isn't luxury. Some buyers mention the hinges feel a bit flimsy after a few months, and the lens clarity isn't crystal clear like higher-end options. Here's the thing though, for $16, you're not buying heirloom quality. You're buying backup shades that won't hurt if you lose them. And with 3 pairs, you can rotate or gift them. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, functional sunglasses for travel, driving, or just everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for long-term durability or premium options.
Product number 2, Pro Acme Classic Aviators. Next, the Pro Acme Aviators at $18.89, just a bit more than the Cagliati, but with glass lenses instead of plastic. That's a big deal because glass resists scratches way better. These come in a classic brown mirrored lens with a metal frame, and they look surprisingly sharp for under $20. Here's why this matters. Glass lenses mean better clarity and less distortion, especially when you're driving at night or in low light. The mirrored coating adds style and cuts down on brightness, which is great for beach days or high glare environments. Plus, they include a leather case, something you usually don't get at this price. Over 500 sold recently shows people are noticing the upgrade. Now, the downside, these aren't polarized. That means you'll still get some glare off water or cars, which can be annoying if you're sensitive. And while the frame is sturdy, it's not as refined as premium brands. The finish can chip over time with heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're not dealing with intense glare daily, the clarity of glass makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you want better lens quality than plastic, but aren't ready to spend Ray-Ban money. Skip this one if you drive a lot in bright conditions or need true glare reduction. For under $20 with glass lenses,
Product number 3, Lenny Kravitz X Aviator Reverse. Now we're stepping into real Ray-Ban territory. The Lenny Kravitz collaboration at $131. This isn't your grandpa's Aviator. It's a square-shaped twist on the classic, with a polished black frame and dark gray mirrored lenses. It's bold, modern, and definitely turns heads. Here's why this matters. The design breaks the mold while keeping Ray-Ban's signature quality. Made in Italy, the frame feels solid, not flimsy, and the mirrored coating reduces glare without sacrificing style. It's not polarized, but the lens clarity is top tier. You'll notice the difference in color accuracy and sharpness. Plus, it comes with an official Ray-Ban cleaning kit and case, which adds real value. But here's the flaw. The square shape isn't for everything. If you have a round face, it might not flatter your features as well as a traditional pilot shape. And at $131, you're paying for the collab name and design more than function. Some might say it's style over substance. This is perfect for you if you want a fashion-forward look with Ray-Ban craftsmanship, but don't need polarization. Skip this one if you prefer classic Aviator curves or need maximum glare protection.
Product number 4, RB3025 Aviator Total Black.
At $244, the RB3025 Total Black is Ray-Ban's premium offering. All black frame, polarized crystal lenses, and that iconic pilot shape.
This is the full package: style, function, and heritage. Here's why this matters. The crystal polarized lenses are next level. They eliminate glare completely, perfect for driving, fishing, or just walking in the city. The anti-reflective coating means no annoying halos at night, and the UV protection is 100%, blocking every harmful ray. Made in Italy with surgical-grade materials, these feel indestructible. The fit is precise: 58mm lens width, 14mm bridge, designed for comfort all day. But the flaw? The price. $244 is steep, especially when the non-polarized version is cheaper. And if you're not in bright, reflective environments often, you might not notice the polarization difference. Some buyers also say the all-black look can feel a bit too serious for casual wear. This is perfect for you if you want the best optics, durability, and timeless style. Skip this one if you're on a budget or don't need premium glare protection. For serious sun protection and long-term use, this is
Product number 5, RB3025 Classic Polarized Gold. Finally, the RB3025 Classic Polarized in gold, also $244, but with that legendary gold frame and green polarized lenses. This is the original Aviator, reimagined with modern tech. Here's why this matters. The green polarized lenses enhance contrast, making colors pop, ideal for driving or outdoor sports. The gold frame is lightweight yet durable, and the wraparound design gives better side protection. Like all Ray-Bans, it's made in Italy with crystal lenses and includes a case and cloth. This is the balance of heritage and performance. But the flaw? Again, the price. And the gold frame isn't for everyone. It's bold, and some find it too flashy for everyday wear. Also, if you have a smaller face, the medium sizing might feel a bit large. This is perfect for you if you want iconic style with top-tier polarization and don't mind the investment. Skip this one if you prefer subtle frames or are shopping under $200. It's classic Ray-Ban.
So which one's right for you? The Cagliari if you want cheap backups, Pro Acme for better glass lenses, Lenny Kravitz for bold fashion, the Total Black for max performance, and the Classic Gold if you want timeless style with modern tech. Price doesn't always mean better. It depends on your needs. Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're wearing.